welcome to the channel. What I'm going to be discussing today is going through optional bits, what you can do post clean. Obviously I'm not going to be showing you the clean video, I've already done a video on that. If you want to see that, just click out on the card what's coming up now. Right, so what I'm going to start off with is obviously a clean. I'll just go through a time-lapse video on that, and then the rest I'll show you in full time. Let's get on. Right, because the batteries died in the previous video on the cleaning, what I'll show you through this video is different drying methods and the processes which I prefer. So the first one I'm going to show you is the way what I use majority of the time, which is the drag method. Right, so first off, as I said, the drag method. So for that one, what you want to do, spray your quick detailer on the vehicle. Get your towel, as you say, all you do, put it on the paintwork and then just drag it across, like so. As you see, as you're dragging it, it's soaking up all the moisture off the paintwork, and I've put very little pressure on, which is obviously preventing any scratches or swirls. So the next method is the pat method, which I'll show you now. Right, so for the pat method, same again. A quick detailer, and then what you do this time, place the drying towel down on the vehicle, and then, as you say, just pat the towel. I like to work from the inside, go to the outside. Very effective method. Downside is very time consuming. The drag method is a lot quicker method than doing it this way. Find whichever way you prefer. Both methods, in my view, are as safe as each other and not going to cause much damage to your paintwork. And then there's also the traditional way of doing it, what a lot of people do, but that one I prefer to stay away from because that can cause swirls. Right, so for this method of drying, how people would use it, which is the way a lot of people do use these. It does work, it is effective, but like I say, it can, any little grit on the towel and it can cause little minor scratches. So all I do, spray your quick detailer just for a bit of lube, and then obviously just rub the car down like so. Like I say, it's an effective method, but it can cause swirls. Right, so when I'm drying my wheels, I like to use a different drying towel to what I've used to the body of the car. I have set towels for the body, set towels for the wheels. That's to obviously prevent any cross-contamination onto your towels for your body from any contamination off your wheels, which obviously you get a lot on your wheels from brake dust and so on and so forth. So, gonna go through the drying, self-explanatory, same way. Easiest way to do it is just do it with the rub method. And just dry them down, like so. So I'll finish this wheel off and do all the other wheels, and then we'll get on to the next stage. Right, so while we're down at the wheel, what I will show you is obviously a lot of people like to have the tyres looking nice, so what you need for that, you need a tyre gel. or they also come in a cream foam now. The one that I use is EZ Car Care Slick Tyre Trim Gel. Really good stuff, lasts ages and has a nice finish to it. To apply it, you want the application sponge, come in all shapes and sizes. This is just a basic one, does the job. So all you want to do, spray a bit on your sponge, not too much, and then just go over the wheel. Right, so once that's on, as you can see now, that's made a nice difference to the tyre. It's gave it, from a dull look, it's gave it a bit more new tyre look. So if you want it to look a bit more shinier with some stuff, if you apply it a second time, it gives it a better finish to what it is the first time. So if you put it on a second time, it'll give it a shiny finish. Good point, but when you put the tyre dressing on is make sure the wheel and the tyre are as dry as you can get them. The drier they are, the longer they last, because the more the tyre dressing can adhere to the car. Tend to, once you've applied it, leave it for an hour or two just for the tyre dressing to cure, otherwise you'll get all black spots over the downside of your car. You don't want that because you have to clean it off. That wasn't meant to happen. Right, so what I'm going to go through now is exhaust tip clean. For that, what I use is, to do the inside, I've got this device which is called Mother's Power Cone. Just slots on to any normal drill. And then metal polish, I use Auto Sol. Never have any issues with it, it's one of the best that I've found, so I carry on using it. And then 2 microfibers, 1 dirty, 1 clean. So first what we're going to start off, I'll start doing the inside. So for that, what I do is put a bit of metal polish on the power cone, on a slow speed, and then just drive it in and out. Then using it, dirty cloth, get all the good buff up. So onto the second tip. So that's the insides done. If you see now popping up, you'll see a before and an after pic of what the exhaust looked like and the difference. So now what I'm going to go and do is clean the outside. For that, use the dirty cloth what you've just used to clean the inside of the exhaust. Metal polish onto your cloth, and then just rub it onto your exhaust. Right, now that's done. Now using your clean cloth, you want to now buff it all up, get all the polish off, making them look nice and shiny. All done. Right, so that concludes our video for this week. Hope that's gave you an insight to little bits what you can do post-wash to obviously just tidy it, smarten your car up, make it look better, just present it that little bit much more better. There is other things that you can do, and I'll go into them into later videos. Also, I forgot to add, if you have any suggestions of any videos that you would like to see on the channel, please put them in the comments section below or contact us through our Facebook or Instagram accounts. Thank you. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and also ring the bell so that you're alerted of any more uploads that we make in the future. Thank you for watching and have a good day.